Hey Princess Squad, it's T here, and I'm on an Alaskan cruise ship with our latest slime that's being released, and I figured I want to show you guys how they look like. This is our view right here. It is unreal and so beautiful, and look, there's another cruise ship from afar. This is my beautiful view from our balcony, and here we have our beautiful slime that's coming out. And of course our Nano tape kit and mini princess tea doll. If you love her and you want her, check out shop.psilove.com to get your very own princess tea doll, slime, and Nano kit. You can use the code PSILOVEYouTube for a discount. Here we have Under the Sea, and we have beautiful charms and beads in the middle and a surprise on the inside. It also comes with more mix-ins. Time for some ASMR opening up Under the Sea. It's this clear base slime that's Tiffany blue or teal, and inside it comes with this surprise seashell right here. Inside the seashell, you're going to find stuff to make your very own princess bracelet. Time to stretch and play with the slime. It's so oddly satisfying. We can't forget about the mix-in toppings. You gotta mix that in there. It's so beautiful. You can also use the seashell container as an accessory and add it on top of your slime. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? This one is called Mermaid Princess, and it has bingsu beads in there. It's super pretty. I love this purple color. The bingsu beads and the slime makes the best crunchy noise. I love this texture so much. Time to add on the pearls and of course the topping accessories. The texture of this slime is so crunchy and stretchy. You can play with it for hours. I really love how this slime turned out, and it definitely is one of my favorites. Here I also have the Nano Tape Bubbles kit in case I get bored and want to make some Nano Tape Bubble squishies to play with. Alright, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the blue one more, which is called Under the Sea? Or the purple one more, which is called Mermaid Princess. We've got one and this one. Leave a comment and let me know right now. Go vote. They're both available on our shop at shop.psilove.com. Use code PSILOVEYouTube for a discount. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official for more content. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!